and explain. Tiger was big. Isabel, see the story. You know that, Isabel? What's wrong, Isabel? What's wrong? Is something wrong? Yes. She's talking, Mom.
Yeah, is she?
Yes. She's talking.
Be gentle with her, okay?
Are you good? Where's your tummy go, Mom?
Where'd her tummy go?
Yeah.
Well, it's there. You just can't see it, baby.
Is it right here?
Can you tell her that you love her and that you're going to miss her?
Okay. But I love you and I'm gonna miss you.
Okay, you finished reading? She loved that book, Logan. She really loved that book.
That's a bit about this story.
That was a good book.